So this tree has got a little bit of a bend in it. You see how it kind of curves just a little bit? Kind of goes like that towards the top. Well, that is an issue I've got to deal with. Alright, I feel like a good starting point is taking off this jacket because it was very cold this morning. So we got the big end right here. This is like, from here to here is roughly 15 inches. And here's the little end, which from here to here is 13 inches. Kind of deal here. Alright, so I've marked this out at 10.5 for, just cutting off this live edge, because this board is really heavy. It's 2 inches thick in total. I would say it weighs over 100 pounds at least. So I'm going to take some live edge off to reduce the weight. So we've had one minor flaw in cutting wood right now. We just had to do a bit of a blade changeover. This is new, even though it doesn't look it. It has never been used. And we got this one, which was on this one. And you can tell it's wore out. There ain't no paint on it. So I'm going to go throw this in the trash. How do you guys like it? Well, this is going to be some of our steps for the ladder. It was at this moment he knew he messed up. I forgot to clean the wheels. So these two are the finished product. I know this has got a little bit of live edge on it, but it's still going to do what I need it to do. And these are 10.5s by 2 inches by 14 feet. So that's the finished product of this, and we're going to go over and look at what we're working with steps. So here are some of the treads that we're going to be working with in the next video. These are 1 3/4 inch by 8s roughly. And going to be getting 2 steps out of each board. Maybe. So, yeah, got some more milling to do because I need about 10 steps and I'll get about 8 out of these. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.